Quick question. Did Grady open the door in The Shining? Probably the most controversial scene in any Kubrick movie, and that's saying a lot, is the scene between Jack Torrance and Delbert Grady in the storage room. There is a big debate among Shining fans as to whether or not the Overlook Hotel is actually haunted, or if all the visions of the ghosts were caused by cabin fever. The debate always ends in the way one interprets this scene. If Grady opened up the door, then the hotel has to be haunted. Diane Johnson, the co-author of the screenplay, believed that it was Kubrick's intention to have Grady open up the door.
There was always a question about to what extent the supernatural was real. Whether, for instance, a ghost could open the freezer door and let Jack out. And finally, we just had to abide by some inconsistencies that supernatural things would happen.
There's also footage in the behind-the-scenes documentary where Nicholson, Kubrick, and Philip Stone are shown together in the storage room set. But if Grady did open the door, why would Kubrick not show him in the final film? He must have filmed him doing the scene because he made Philip Stone wear his tuxedo on the set. Deliberately cutting him out of the scene has helped fuel the theory that there weren't any ghosts at all. So if it wasn't Delbert Grady who opened the door, who did? Here's a crazy idea. It was Danny. Well, who else could it be? Both Jack and Wendy were asleep, so maybe Danny snuck downstairs, unlocked the door, and went back upstairs to wake up Wendy before Jack came up. Now you'd certainly ask, why would Danny let Jack out? He let him out so Jack could be killed. And why does Danny want Jack to be killed? Because Jack was the one who abused him in room 237. This is just one theory out of several that have been created over the years. I guess the only thing that can be agreed upon is that Kubrick wanted the viewer to feel like they were in a hedge maze, and that any explanation to the film's images would lead you to a dead end. Thanks for watching.